Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to conceal cells within Google Sheets. To begin, it is important to note that individual cells cannot be hidden on their own. Instead, you must hide the entire row or column. To hide a column, right-click on the top header and select the Hide Column option. This action conceals the column along with all the data inside it. Similarly, to hide a row, right-click the row number on the left and choose Hide Row. The row will then disappear from view. You can also hide several rows or columns simultaneously. Simply click the first header, hold down the Shift key, and select the last one to highlight the entire range. Once selected, right-click and choose Hide Rows. To reveal them again, just click the small arrows located between the headers to expand the hidden section. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.